Tricycles have 3 wheels. Triads have 3 notes. Welcome back to Music and Theatre Education. Today we're going to be learning about major and minor triads. Let's head over to the whiteboard. Our major and minor triads both have 3 notes, but what's different between them is the distances between those notes. The distances are all thirds. Like triads, there's 3 notes. The distance between is a third. But is it a major third or a minor third? Our major triad has a major third between the first and middle note. So from the bottom to the middle, we have a major third. But between the middle and the top, there is a minor third. Now, if we look at our minor triad, this time the first interval we have is a minor third. So a major triad starts with a major third and a minor triad starts with a minor third. And then we have a major third. Our final bit of important information is how many semitones are in a major third and a minor third? A major third has 4 semitones and a minor third, which is smaller, being minor, has only 3. So we can also write that on our diagram. So we have 4 semitones here and 3 here, and then it's the opposite for our minor, 3, then 4. Let's use that information we just learnt to write these 2 triads, F major and F minor. Now the first thing to do is look at the note it starts on. So the name is the note it starts on. So F major starts on F. Then we can make it into a triad. So if our note is on a space, the next 2 are also going to be on spaces. So we go space, space, space. Now we need to see if we need to add any accidentals. We need to make sure our intervals are correct. So we want a major third between our bottom and middle notes, which is 4 semitones. So we'll start on our F on our keyboard diagram and count up 4. Don't count the one you start on. 1, 2, 3, 4 is an A. We already have an A, so we don't need to add anything. Now we need a minor third between our middle and top note. So that's 3 semitones. So starting here, we don't count this as 1. 1, 2, 3 gives us C. So we don't need to change anything. We have written an F major triad. Let's try the same thing with our minor. It's F minor, so it starts on F. See how we've just written the same triad? So I think we're going to have to change something this time. This time we need a minor third between our bottom and middle note. Let's see. Let's count up 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. G sharp or A flat? Well, I already have an A here, so it's going to have to be an A flat. Let's check the top note now. We need 4 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4 gives us C, which means we have nothing else to change. Let's flip it now, and we're going to name these triads. Let's look at the first one. It starts on an A, so we know it's A something. Now let's count our semitones between the bottom and the middle notes. So from A, 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on 4 with our C sharp. So that would probably be major, but let's double check. Going from C sharp to E, we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's definitely major. So that's our A major triad. Let's try our last one. Now it's starting on an E, so we know it's E something. Let's count our semitones between our E and our G. Remember, we don't count the first one. 1, 2, 3, and then G to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4, it must be minor. That's all I've got for you today. If you'd like me to do some more examples of those, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for joining me on Music and Theatre Education, and until next time, keep on that theatre adventure.